First of all, I would like to thank Mission World for inviting Blum-Novotest India to participate and be present in printed and digital media. Thank you for that. And to talk about our company, the company was formed in the year 2011. We are 11 years old company in Indian industry. We have three divisions in our company. To talk about the divisions and its products, measuring component division is basically the probing system division with various applications covered under the probing system. The measuring and testing technology division serves end-of-line measuring machines. And then test engineering is basically for gearbox test benches, drive shaft test benches, and a few others. In India, we are working currently with the component division and the test engineering division. To talk about our customer base, we have quite a lot of customers out of component division from south, north, east, west, covering the whole country. From the test engineering, we are serving at the moment GKN and Daimler Commercial India. To talk about the component division systems or the solutions, we have main two classification, one for the tool measurement and the other one is for the work measurement. What we are having as a key product, which is well integrated into our manufacturing industry here, is a contact type tool filling system. Predominantly, this is called the Z series system. Then our proven micro compact NT technology and the latest introduction of Digilog technology to the market. We have various technologies which is applicable for a particular application that we work with the customer. We study the customer requirements and we select the system that we need to integrate to get the best solution or the getting a right quality of the machine process. Coming to our probing system, which is for the work offset setting and the measurement. We have various applications that we have catered to, starting from a simple measurement of the work offset and updating to the measurement of the component on the machine, and whereby we use a software called form control to understand after the day's machine what is the quality of the machining, and if the corrections have to be made, we measure it and then we take it for the measurement as well. In the last minute. Yeah, to continue our product introduction, which is also the key products of our company for the industry that we are serving at the moment. I think is a probing system which is very important for many of the applications, both in the part manufacturing and the die and mold measurement. As you can see, we have systems which are standard system for the standard application, and we have a modular system for application which demands a higher length of the probing strength that is required. We have integrated in every industry, be it automotive, be it aerospace, be it in die and mold, toy manufacturing, electronic industry, and medical industry. The extension of the probing system is integrated with our form control software, wherein a die after machining is measured on the machine and the corrections are required is attended in the same setup without losing any accuracy of the machining once again. This is about our quick introduction to our key products. What we are looking at in the future to come is about integration of our technology products. When I say technology products, for example, we have come up with the laser system which is called the DigiLock system, which is faster, 50% of our own micro compact ENT version, and is more accurate because it includes digital and analog signal processing. Extension of the DigiLock technology, what we are looking at serving our industry is for the roughness measurement, bore measurement, which is going to be the technology that is required for the high volume and high quality production in many of the industries. This is about a quick introduction of our company and our products. What is it we are looking at in the future to come? Future to come is that we are looking at India is poised towards getting more and more manufacturing. When we say it's more and more manufacturing, it also comes with a challenge of working on the machine, getting the output from the machine without any quality compromises. What we need is a stable component that's coming out of it. All the checks that is required has to be done within the machine so that the product that we get out of the machine is of the right quality and the right volume. The processes are very important. Our solutions are integrated into the process to make the whole process stable, not producing this scrap, which is the most important thing to address. What we say is PPM, 1 PPM or 0 PPM is what we are looking at and working on. Where do we stand in the future to come? Is that our well-trained engineers, which is our asset of the company, is the one which is contributing to the development and the updation on the technology to the industry and also the growth of our company as well. I would like to end our session with this short introduction, and any of the requirement of the questions comes up, people can contact us. We have our divisions spread across the year. Thank you.